Hello Holistretch fam, my name is Frances Eve. Today we are going to work some resistance stretching to open up your heart energy center, your sacred sexual center, your sacred third eye center, so that we can get into alignment, so that we can begin to create our external reality to help us fulfill upon our deepest dreams, our deepest intentions, and our deepest truth. We can do it. We are the power. We are the center of our own universe. And how we do that is we harness this internal power, this internal energy, and connect with our guides in gratitude to create this world that we want to live in. So this is a very powerful stretch. It'll only be about 10 minutes. I want you to feel energized afterwards. So grab your mat and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. There are lots of stretch videos for you. If there's something you'd like to see, then please comment below. I love to connect with you guys. All right, let's get started. Grounding down into the earth, both feet, feeling the toes with that magnetic force pulling you down, rooting you down like a magnet into the earth so that you can spring all the way up, rising up, stretching that nervous system, coming back down, touching the fingertips to the top and at the bottom. Inhale, reach, exhale, coming back down. Lifting up, springing up, flying up out of your groundedness, your safety net, coming back up to freedom, reaching, breaking through those boundaries, breaking through those patterns, powerfully rooting back down into the ground and rest. Taking a nice big deep breath in here, coming back down on your knees and your hands, bringing the chest, the heart down to the earth, feeling your connection to the earth and rising up with the knees, lifting the knees up. We're coming to triangle for 10, push up to triangle, coming down and exhale, rising hips up to the sky. Feeling that root rise, coming all the way up. See if you can press those heels down to the ground as you come up. Feeling that protection, that safety as you come down and you press the hands all the way into the earth. Rising, coming up. Feeling that spine straighten, shoulders open up. Lifting the hips up to the sky and coming back down. Beautiful. Rising the chest up to the sky, leaning back, and then we'll come to a lunge. Left leg in the front. We're going to reach that left arm all the way back, stretching the body to the side. So reaching all the way to the opposite side, opening that hip flexor, that hip, reaching the chest down and rising back up, down and up. Using that power of the hips, the core, keeping that spine nice and straight. And coming back, we're going to straighten that front leg, bringing the hands together, and we're stretching that sciatic nerve, reaching that bottom of the foot all the way to the top of the head, stretching that sciatic, the nervous system, bringing hands into prayer. Reaching up or at the chest. Exhale, folding forward over the leg. Inhale, reaching up with those arms. Magnetic energy through the spine, rising up, arms up, round the arms. Go make some big wide arm circles, creating that nice flow of energy, coming back down into that bend and pressing down into the ground.
Switching legs, coming to plank, right leg up and reach. Bringing the arm all the way up, rising, chest down to ground. Rising right arm this time to back of the foot and down. Always connecting back to the earth. Rising with the hand, just like the sun rises over the mountain and the mountain grounds down into the earth. Coming back down, straighten that front leg, arms up, bringing that energy all the way through the body. Root to rise, root to rise. Making sure you have that safety net, that groundedness, before making any decisions, before creating anything. And then allowing yourself to fly, rounding the arms down. Nice deep breath in here. Coming back down to sitting. Opening the knees nice and wide, bringing the sit bones down onto the ground, raising the arms all the way up. We're going to open up that heart and exhale, squeezing back in. Inhale, open, exhale, squeeze for 10, reaching the chest up, exhale in, feeling the energy through your breath and out. Opening the side body now this time. So reaching with the left and then waving with the right. Reaching with the left, waving open with the right. Feeling that magnetic pulsing energy raising through the body, through the lungs and the ribs. Taking a breath in the center, grounding yourself down, and switching arms. Reaching with the right, waving with the left. Reach and wave. Reach and wave. Using your breath as the engine for your body, creating that electricity, that magnetic source from the earth through your body to the sky, transmuting that density into light frequency. Coming back to your heart, resting, taking deep breaths in here. Feeling that magnetic energy, that power source coming from your heart, from your sacrum, from your solar plexus, from your throat. And coming to rest, child's pose, forehead down to the ground. Giving yourself a prayer for this moment, a prayer for this day, a prayer for humanity. And breathe. Coming back up, chest to earth, coming into upward dog. Reaching the chest up, and if you like, you can give yourself a few spinal twists by moving the hips, rotating left and right, left and right. Releasing the spine once more. Excellent practice, my friends. I acknowledge your power. I acknowledge your courage. Feel free.